How to trade breakout, one of the best patterns which I personally use. Here, my friends, in this lesson, I'll show you how to trade this strategy. I'll show you preconditions. I'll show you examples of my trades. I'll show you different instruments where you can trade it. That's why I promise you it will be awesome. At this moment, lesson structure. Market cycles, key levels, and preconditions, in what cases you can open a position. A few words about me. Yuri, top trading you offer. In trading since March 2013, my strategy works on all markets, like strategy which I use, because I have a mentor who taught me that strategy. But it was many years before, and I paid for it really good money. At this moment, I ask you to smash like button, because when YouTube sees that you push like, you save this lesson, share it with other people, YouTube sees that this video is good and share it to YouTube community. From your side, it is the best thank you can do. That's why do it right now, and let's go. First, about breakout and about that strategy. You need to understand that when you want to trade breakout strategy, you can trade it only according to some key levels. You cannot trade a breakout strategy only because there must be a key level, a key zone where could be a lot of stop losses and or a lot of pressure from different players, and only in such places you can open a position. That's why you need to understand market cycles, in what cases big players will accumulate position, because in what cases that is good to trade breakout strategy when big players accumulate a volume, a position. Because I think you saw many my lessons before, and just one example for you, that market built by big players, institutional guys who have big amount of money under their management. And take a look only this example of JP Morgan Chase Bank, 2.6 trillions of USD. I think you understand, if you have 2.6 trillions of USD to accumulate enough position and make good money, you need big volume. Like, it's not one lot on Euro USD. It must be like 100 million slots or like 1 million lots, something like that. And you cannot just open that amount of volume in one day, because price will change dramatically. That's why there's a huge reason why you should create some range, such places, and after that break it. That's why that strategy, it would be after breakout. I'll show you exactly one of my strategy which I personally use. That's why there always will be such places, such ranges, which big players use for accumulation volume energy, and from those places they would start their big and long-term trends. The example for you on a gold, if you would take a gold and you would see gold history, that they were always the same. Range, and after that move, range, move, range, move. Like here, even range and move. That's example for you on bigger scale, that these cycles always will work, that there always will be accumulation, and big players need accumulate, because you saw, and there are many of them, like JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, most of them have their trading departments, but not all of them. About breakout, you can open a breakout only according to key levels. Why according to key levels? Because example for you, let's pay attention to this and you will understand exactly how it works. Take a look on this accurate key level, and you would see that here, I think you can see key level we built by this candle, because this candle stopped all this uprise, and take a look after that every low higher and higher and create such triangle. But it's on daily chart, and take a look how many days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 5, 14, 15, like nearly 1 month price were in this range. If we add also this, it was nearly 2 months price were in this range. And you need to understand how market works. That just imagine, in this place there are a lot of people who open sell and a lot of people who open buy at the same time. And when price break some key level, how it works? When price break it, those who hold sell position, they would close it. With stop losses, they would close it only because it would be in red. There would be a lot of different reasons. And when you close sell, short position, you open buy. That's how breakout works. And if like as many at border of breakout or range, border of the range. Like if there a lot of volume at that border, there would be better and bigger movement after that breakout. And take a look after that, take a look. After that breakout, so many people who have sell positions, they would close it and there would be new additional buy. Also, I know many people trade breakout strategy, and after breakout, take a look what's going on. And for big players, in this case, for them, it's enough just to initiate the move. They just initiate the move. And after that, when they initiate the move, sellers start closing their position, it starts new buy. And when there would be like such candle, like all sellers who were here inside, all sellers, they would be trapped. And many of them would close their position by stop losses. Also, there would be a place, something like this place, it's their stop outs, it's their stop losses, when they blow out an account. Okay, my friends, and let's, where is my preconditions? I'll show you exactly reasons why I opened such position, how I trade breakout, and there I'll show you best examples which you can find ever. Here, take a look, it's pattern number 1, which I trade. That stuff I share only with my students, and only here today you will find it on YouTube for free. That's why right now, push and smash like button, because, my friends, for free. Really, only with my VIP students I do it. Okay, example for you of good accumulation, maybe this one, this picture would be the best, just the best. And such picture I recommend you to save. I use it because I teach this stuff with my students. Take a look. Powerful key level. I think with previous example you understood why I speak about this, because once more, we have a powerful key level. It's a border of this range. Take a look. This distance, it is 1 month. And as you can see, price range started here and here. It is nearly 1.5 months. 1.5 months price were in this accumulation. After that, take a look, every low closer and closer to key level. Do you see it's like it's similar to previous picture which we saw on gold? I think you can see that this picture similar. And take a look what happened after that. Powerful breakout, like first breakout, trap, like 2 traps, and after that breakout. And what happened here? Why after that price started powerful up move? Because just imagine a lot of people here had buy position at the same time and sell position in opposite time. And what happened after that? Those who hold sell position, their stop losses become a new buy, and that new buy become a new fuel for up rise. That's how it works, and you will find it on all markets. It doesn't matter what you trade. This strategy you can trade on all markets because it's show to you how market build. Example for you, take a look on link. Before, as you can see, my friends, same example. It doesn't matter what instrument you trade. I remember about link because I made analysis few days before. Take a look, the same stuff here. Key level which we use as a foundation, because always breakout could happen according to some key levels, because key levels, it's a border, it's a place where a lot of people set their stop losses, and for big players it's a place where would be new volume, new energy, because just imagine you accumulate huge volume and you need to start a move, and you need like you bought a huge amount like of link, and you need to that someone else would move that price and you will make money. This is like big players, like smart guys, I think. And take a look how every low higher and higher and higher, and take a look how it was here, especially before breakout. Price slowly close to that key level. And take a look what happened after that. Powerful breakout. Why? Because so many players here inside had sell position and buy position at the same time. Like on a market, you can open sell, buy, and you can be out. That's all. That's all what you can do. You cannot like sell and buy at the same time. And that's why when sellers price start hitting their stop loss, it's new buy, a new powerful buy. That's the main reason why Tesla stocks a few days ago rose up dramatically, because many people who hold their sell position, like their sell position hit stop losses for many of them, or even stop outs, and because of that they close their sell position short position shorts, and it's new buy. And the same here, take a look, powerful breakout. That's why how it works. First you need to have a key level, because as you can see only at key levels it works. About key levels, I have a course I teach people. You can join our program. All contacts you will find below this video about key level strategy. You can learn it. I have also free lessons on YouTube about key levels, examples how to build it. Also, you can watch it for free. But if you want to become a really professional trader, my friends, you need education, you need support from me and my team. And also, as you can see, best precondition, that price slowly approach to key level before breakout, make false breakout. That prove to us that there are a key level, and after that this, because it's a trap before a move, and after that powerful movement. Another example for you, even on British pound New Zealand, a few days ago, even before price started a new trend, take a look here, even before new trend, before breakout, take a look, price did the same, every low higher and higher. Take a look, this daily candle closed exactly at high. And after that, take a look how, like the same picture, just on 4-hour chart on smaller scale. And after that, before breakout, false breakout, and after that, uprise. Why? Because here, the same sellers and buyers, a lot of sellers close their position and started new uprise. That's example for you why you should use it, my friends. And that strategy, when you use this strategy, you need to remember, when you have such accurate picture, you can hold position for a midterm. After good accumulation, you can hold position for a midterm. Another example for you on real time, which at this moment we have with all our students, and also on Friday, I sent this VIP alert to our community, to our students, to buy Russian ruble nearly this place on Friday. I will show you here in Discord on Friday. Take a look. It was 10:23 a.m. It was Friday, and you can see buy limit at this time. And take a look what happened with Russian ruble after that. Why? Because the same stuff. We have a key level, but this picture is not really like such nice like previous. But take a look here. Price accelerate every low higher and closer to key level. And after that, good breakout. That's how it works. Accumulation and breakout. Remember, it doesn't matter what you will trade, they always will be the same. Take a look. This may be one of the best examples which I share to all my students. Take a look, my friends, how accurately. And every low closer to key level. And as you can see, this daily candle close at key level exactly. And after that, boom. Because so many people here, their stop losses become this fuel. And it's rapidly skyrocket. That's a reason why you should trade it on all markets. And if you want to learn it, of course, you can join my VIP room. You can join my trading course, and I'll teach you how to trade such. Also about these patterns, what also you should remember. These patterns always better to use when you trade continue the trend, because in most cases, price always, when there's a good trend, it moves, stops, continues the move. The same here, as you can see, range. After that, after breakout of this range, price just continues that move. That's all. I would like to share with you example my entry which I did a few days ago. With also that entry I shared to our VIP community, where I sent all my entry exit points. It's example for you here. As you can see, the same key level, price slowly approach, and after that take a look, gold and breakout, boom. So many people wrote to me on TradingView how possibly you can open this position. And about this cycle, my friends, once more, remember, when many people told me, like, Yuri, how can you open gold buy when price rose up so much? But take a look what happened after that. When we open that position, take a look where gold were. Take a look. After breakout of this key level, take a look. Gold rose up nearly 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips! Just imagine. After breakout of this, boom! That's the reason why you should use this strategy, because many people think like because price rose up a lot and it must change, but not. if you have good key level and price slowly approach to that key level with huge possibility, that would be continue of the trend. Huge possibility, always use stop losses, because sometimes price can make a trap and you need to know all the preconditions. You need to read price action. In that cases, you will understand in what cases the huge possibility will be traps. My friends, smash like button. Share this lesson with other people. Also, write down where you're from. For me, it's interesting to see who saw this lesson, like what kind of people watching our lessons. Also, if you have any suggestion right now, type into a comment, and also subscribe. For me, like, subscribe, and share is the best. Thank you. Bye.